Hey everybody, and welcome to Garage C, and we're homeless, destitute, spannering next to a puddle. I don't know what we're going to do.
Don't worry, Serby. I'm your camera lady, Honda driving taxi, and today I'm your fairy godmother. You shall go to the union.
Wow! Okay, looks like we've got a workshop again. Thanks for that, fairy godmother. We better crack on and do some work then. Welcome to the new home of Garage C, and the first thing we have to do is, well, move in, kind of. It's a good space, it's a little bit damp, it's got a red floor to cover up the blood. I think we'll be very happy here. I'm going to build myself a workbench. Now, if you are lucky, then we've got our website up and running, and you can go to garagec.co.uk and download the plans for the workbench that I'm about to build. So it's all going to go a bit J Bates in the house. We'll see how we get on. Okay, so we've managed to get the top frame built, the legs built. I haven't built the bottom shelf, because what we're going to do now is we're going to take this sheet of 18mm ply and turn it into a bottom shelf and a worktop. But before we use any power tools, let's take a moment to talk about shop safety. Be sure to read, understand and follow all of the safety rules that come with your power tools. Knowing how to use your power tools properly will greatly reduce the risk of personal injury. And remember, there's no more important safety tip than to wear these safety glasses. It's been a long 2 weekends this has taken us. Yeah, chaos, and with an unwell putty cat in the middle. Hashtag get well Gigi. But the bench is, yeah, pretty much finished. I need to go and get some more screws. I ran out of screws to do the back piece, and it's going to have a shelf on the top eventually. But we have a workbench, we have a clear space. It's almost time to start doing car things again, rather than woodworking things. But it's quite good. It's substantial, and that's what we were aiming for. Something I can put a vice on and really wail on. So, we also, as you will have noticed, didn't film all of that because at some point the battery went flat and I was too busy doing woodwork. I hate woodwork, so I just wanted to get it done. So this is probably a really short episode. Sorry about that, guys. Thank you for bearing with us. While our cat was unwell, he is one of our children, so there was just no way we could get here and film. We had to be looking after him. We will be back to spannering next week, hopefully on Garage C. Thank you for watching. this disjointed, rather strange episode. Thank you for continuing to support the channel. It's great knowing you guys are out there. It's good fun. We'd be here spannering anyway. It's what we do. It's nice to share it with you guys, and it's nice that you guys are enjoying it. But that's it. I need to shut up and stop blathering on, and I will see you next time on Garage C.